The market for electric vehicles is at a turning point since Tesla leads the sector and sets the standard for innovation. Certain factors indicate that the firm will have a prosperous future. Some people are still doubtful, but with 2023 approaching, it's still unclear if Tesla stock will reach new heights or continue to experience difficulties. Come along as we examine the facts, market trends, and forecast the future of Tesla's stock. Will it rise by 100% by 2023? And will the gap between it and its competitors close or widen? Though some analysts predict a turnaround in 2023, I believe that those of us who believe in real life Tony Stark Elon know the answers to these questions. However, prepare to hear the facts and realize the incredible potential for investing in the world's top electric vehicle company. Before we go there, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It's likely that the Tesla stock will see a 100 increase in 2023. While some have asserted that the stock will rise by a factor of 2, others are gloomy and think it will continue to drop. You shouldn't pass up this information while there is still a potential for us to gain from it. The EV market is facing major obstacles in a number of important areas in 2023, and experts believe that the period of triple-digit growth and the notion of limitless demand that propelled Tesla stock may have come to an end. However, according to Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley, analysts anticipate that in 2023, Tesla earnings per share will rise, with sales rising 42% to $115.02 a billion. As of early 2023, Tesla remains the top seller electric vehicle manufacturer in the US. According to data released in November 2022, the majority of the 525,000 EVs registered in the US were Tesla vehicles, with production at Global Mobility's original Fremont plant having significantly increased. Currently, the luxury Model S sedan, Model X SUV, and Model 3 Model Y are produced at the Fremont factory. Tesla claims that the free plant can build up to 0,00000 Model 3s and Model Y vehicles annually, in addition to up to 1,000,000 Model S and Model X vehicles. The proposed capacity of the Austin site is 2,5,0,0,0 vehicles. The Tesla. Austin is already expanding its mile-wide production, which should boost profit margins as the factory gets closer to capacity when the Cybertruck eventually goes on sale in the middle to late 2023. Although Austin will be the manufacturer, nobody anticipates the long-delayed 2019 vehicle to contribute significantly in terms of volume. According to a late December story on the Bloomberg website, Tesla is finalizing plans to build a car assembly plant in northeastern Mexico. In the US, Tesla has made significant progress in the electric vehicle market. Although the Ford Mustang, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Kia EV6 are intriguing crossover models for the Model Y, total sales are still quite low. Other well-known automakers are also gradually entering the EV market. For example, the Volkswagen ID4 is now produced in Tennessee. The Ford Mach-E will go into production in 2023, while the competitively priced Fisker FSR OCIN SUV will be on the market by the end of that year. By 2024, GM intends to provide a number of electric cars that run on their new lithium batteries. By the fall of 2023, Ford intends to boost production of the all-electric F-150 lighting pickup truck to 500 units annually. 450 lighting sales. By the end of November, there were 8 vehicles to multiple price increases. Even though volume EV production, particularly of head-to-head competitors to test the vehicles, may not come until 2024 or later, the competition to win over American car buyers is expected to heat up overall. The base lighting price has increased to about 560 000 a 40 increase from its initial 39000. This significant increase reflects both the appeal of lighting and its scarcity and high cost for batteries due to supply chain increase in 2023. Since used car prices, particularly those of the Tesla EVS, are declining, Tesla is likely to agree on a price that will qualify for IRS rebates for many would-be buyers. Because of the upcoming EV credits, which only apply to vehicles made in North America and do not include imports before the end of the year, Tesla buyers have postponed purchases or deliveries until 2023. As an extra incentive, the EV behemoth is giving away free supercharger miles in addition to a 7,500 credit on Model 3 and Model Y deliveries in the US, up from 3,750 at the start of the month. Although Tesla CEO Elon Musk may be a successful businessman, the big EV maker had a difficult time on the stock market in 2022, and the pressure is increasing as competitors get better, according to experts. His recent decision-making skills have dramatically impacted people's impression of him since mid-April 2022, when Musk announced his deal to acquire Twitter shares of Tesla. Dropped about 62% since he took charge of that company after several years of extraordinary performance following the first quarter. In 2019, Tesla stock in 2022 made a profit of $17 billion, as reported by the Wall Street Journal, due to the decline in technology stocks that started in November 2021 and Musk's distraction with Twitter, despite Beep's games. Some analysts have argued that investors should look beyond the current challenges in Tesla, instead should look at the big picture. It is no secret that investors in 2022 panicked and set the stock market plunging into bear territory as inflation soared. Should investors may be able to take advantage of a bottoming in stock prices sometime in the first half of 2023 in a subsequent strong finish to the year as a result of rising interest rates and the possibility of a U.S. recession. A few trustworthy companies have the potential to grow significantly over the next several months. Of course, one company that stands to benefit from the bull market is Tesla, whose stock fell roughly 67% over the last 12 months, but is predicted by consensus to rise by a comparable amount in the upcoming year, in addition to a street high price prediction of $436, which could represent a 286% increase from recent stock prices. A price target of $250 for Tesla stock has been agreed upon by 36 analysts, which is 100% higher than the electric vehicle manufacturer's current stock price, separate from current levels. Despite the general stock market sell-off, CEO Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter, and worries that the market for Tesla vehicles is waning due to the macroeconomic slowdown, it is important to note that Tesla has been recording incredible growth quarter after quarter because of the robust demand for its vehicles. This has had a significant impact on the company's shares. China's cuts have an effect on the company's present pricing as well. Investor confidence has been seriously damaged. By the end of 2022, Tesla is expected to have grown its revenue by 53% to $82.5 billion and its profitability by 77%, or several dollars per share. The company is also expected to continue growing steadily in 2023 and 2024. There are a few reasons why Tesla could grow at such a staggering rate over the next 5 years. And the company's outlook appears promising overall, with yearly earnings growth of about 35%. In the worldwide EV market, Tesla is a major player. Though growing competition from both new and established players is likely to eat away at Tesla's share of the EV market in the future, investors should keep in mind that Tesla is operating in a market that is designed for long-term growth. By the end of the forecast period, companies expect EV sales to increase by 41% annually from 2023 to 2028, reaching 148 million units shipped annually. The Tesla Model Y Model 3 are the best-sellered electric vehicles in Europe and China, respectively, with an installed yearly automobile capacity of about 2 million units by the end of the third quarter in an expanding product variety. Head start in this market should prove helpful as it struggles to sustain its pace in the face of intensifying competition. Tesla is in a strong position to continue growing quickly. This year's favorable valuation, Tesla's strong growth, and a somewhat more optimistic stock market could all aid this battered down electric vehicle. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. The company's stock price will surge in the new year and beyond. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for twice as many Tesla stock updates.